Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 10K Smma. It's an ebook that I created because I was tired of the industry standard of all these courses being released for crazy prices, $997, $1,000, $1,500, and always giving you the bare minimum. So you might be wondering, who am I? My name is Arsalan. I'm the owner of a multiple six-figure digital marketing agency here based in London, and I've been doing this for almost 3 years, giving me somewhat of experience in the field to be able to talk about this. Now, on a daily basis, I get asked on Instagram, on LinkedIn, how do I do this with an agency? How do I start a business? How do I make income? How do I make 2K a month extra passive income per month? And it got to the point where it became so repetitive that I thought, I need to do something about this. But I didn't want to be the typical guy and release a course for $500, for $1,000 or pounds, and just give you a little bit of information that may or may not help you. I wanted to make a guide to give the opportunity to somebody who truly has literally nothing in their bank account to scale up to 10K per month. And that's how 10K Smma was born. Now, this isn't just an ebook. It is a guide truly set in stone to show you how to get from A to Z, from zero to hero, from 0 to 10K per month, and more with your agency. It talks about how to scale systems, how to build systems, what even are systems, what is the social media marketing business model, how to build a team, how to find a team, how to have the right psychology involved to succeed, because it's more than just putting A and B and then putting it into something. It's more than just copy and pasting something that somebody tells you. Every situation is unique, so having that mindset is crucial. It also has 2+ hours of watchable content. I didn't want this to just be a normal guide that you can read along. I wanted this to be a guide where you can hear and see me doing strategies that not only work in my own agency, but work for all agencies. And I've even updated this ebook/guide to be applicable post-COVID-19 and even during COVID-19. It's a book that's literally set in stone for the next few years to come, and I doubt any of the systems and things that I address will change. Not only that, I've literally included everything that my own agency uses, from scripts to contracts to softwares. The list goes on. Like I've not spared a single expense when it came to making this guide. As I said, I'm tired of the course industry. I'm tired of these gurus that make these courses without even legitimate businesses to back them, with no experience. It's something that I was sick of, and I was waiting for somebody else to go ahead and change that, but I guess I have to do it myself. And that's what this book is. It's an opportunity for a person who truly has zero in their bank account to go ahead and start implementing the things that I talk about to change their life. If that sounds like something that you might be interested in, I implore you guys to read more below, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the guide.